Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we dive into everything you need to know about Octa, from its award-winning platforms and account types to its educational tools, helping you decide if it's the right broker for your trading journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Octa is an established online broker that's been operating since 2011. With over 42 million trading accounts and clients in more than 160 countries, Octa offers commission-free access to a wide range of markets. One of its biggest strengths is accessibility. With a minimum deposit of just $25, it's a solid option for beginner traders. The broker supports MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as its own browser-based OctaTrader platform. It also offers built-in copy trading services and swap-free Islamic-compliant accounts. With fast deposits and withdrawals, user-friendly tools, and a growing global reputation, Octa continues to be a popular choice among traders. Octa offers a well-rounded selection of trading instruments, giving traders access to global markets through a single account. Their Forex offering includes over 50 currency pairs covering majors, minors, and exotics, with leverage up to 1 to 1,000, available for non-EU clients. For those interested in equities, Octa provides over 150 stock CFDs and an additional 100 non-leveraged shares, allowing traders to engage with major companies from the US and global exchanges. Index trading is also available, featuring 10 of the world's top indices such as the Nasdaq, S&P 500, and FTSE 100, all with leverage up to 1 to 400. Commodity traders can access gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas, popular for hedging and diversification strategies. Octa also supports crypto CFD trading with around 34 digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, all tradable 24/7 with flexible leverage options. While the full range of instruments is available on the MetaTrader 5 and OctaTrader platforms, users on MetaTrader 4 might see a more limited selection. Overall, Octa's instrument variety caters to both short-term speculators and long-term strategists across Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, and indices. Octa operates under a multi-entity regulatory structure tailored to different regions. European clients are serviced through Octa Markets Cyprus Limited, which is licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SISEC. This EU oversight brings key safeguards such as segregated client funds, negative balance protection, and access to the Investor Compensation Fund. In South Africa, Octa is regulated by the FSCA, ensuring compliance with local standards and offering client fund protection. For other jurisdictions, the primary entity holds a license from the Mali International Services Authority, or MISA, in Comoros, which affords a measure of oversight but falls under a more relaxed offshore regime. Across its entities, the broker implements standardized protective practices like segregated client funds and providing negative balance protection, though only EU-based clients benefit from compensation schemes. Octa offers several ongoing promotions to enhance traders' accounts, with the most notable being its 50% deposit bonus. When you fund your account with a minimum of $50 on platforms like OctaTrader or MetaTrader 5, the broker automatically credits an additional 50% of your deposit as bonus funds. These funds boost your free margin and are immediately available for trading. To make the bonus withdrawable, users must meet specific trading volume requirements, typically the bonus amount divided by 2, in standard lots. Octa also runs occasional 100% deposit bonus promotions during special events, offering more capital for trading, potentially with leverage up to 1 to 1,000. The broker's Champion Demo Contest is a monthly demo trading competition on the MetaTrader 4 platform, giving participants the chance to win real cash prizes without risking real money. Traders compete using $1,000 of virtual currency in a demo account with 1 to 500 leverage over a 4-week period. The top 5 performers receive a combined prize pool of $1,000, with $500 going to the winner. To join, users must register a new demo account for each round and only standard trading activity is allowed. Any form of manipulation leads to disqualification, and all prize money is credited to verified real accounts and is fully withdrawable once claimed within the set timeframe. Additionally, the broker provides a trade and win promotion, which rewards traders with real gifts based on their trading volume. For every standard lot traded on a live account, traders earn prize points that can be exchanged for rewards, ranging from t-shirts and power banks to smartwatches, smartphones, and even a MacBook. Higher tier members in the status program can earn up to 1.5 times more prize points. Available in select countries, traders can claim one gift per month, shipped directly to their doorstep, making active trading even more rewarding. Octa also provides an Invite a Friend program, which allows traders to earn $1 for every standard lot traded by friends they refer. In order to participate, both the referrer and the referee must open a real trading account. The referred friend receives a 100% deposit bonus, while the referrer earns commissions daily, which are withdrawable within 24 hours. The broker offers 3 distinct trading platforms to cater to various trader preferences and strategies. MetaTrader 4 is renowned for its user-friendly interface and robust charting tools, making it ideal for beginners and experienced traders alike. MetaTrader 5 builds upon MetaTrader 4 with additional features such as more timeframes, an economic calendar, and improved order management, appealing to traders seeking advanced functionalities. OctaTrader, which is Octa's proprietary platform, provides a seamless trading experience across web and mobile devices, integrated advanced charting, real-time analytics, and a customizable interface. Each platform supports a range of assets, allowing traders to choose the environment that best suits their trading style and objectives. The broker also offers a user-friendly copy trading service through the Octa Copy application, enabling traders to replicate the strategies of experienced professionals. Users can browse a selection of master traders, comparing their performance, risk levels, and commission rates. Once a trader selects a master trader, they can set the copy ratio and initiate automatic trade copying. The application provides real-time analytics, allowing users to monitor their investments, adjust settings, or stop copying at any time. Additionally, a risk score feature helps assess the risk associated with each master trader strategy, aiding users in making informed decisions. Octa provides 3 primary trading account types, each tailored to different trading preferences and platforms. The OctaTrader account is Octa's proprietary trading account, designed for traders seeking a streamlined and intuitive trading experience. This account type offers floating spreads starting from 0.6 pips and does not charge any trading commissions, making it cost-effective for active traders. Additionally, OctaTrader boasts 0 deposit or withdrawal fees, enhancing the overall trading experience. Traders can access this account through the OctaTrader platform, which is optimized for both mobile and desktop use, providing a seamless and efficient trading environment. Octa's MetaTrader 4 account is designed for traders seeking a reliable and user-friendly platform with robust charting tools and automated trading capabilities. This account type also offers floating spreads starting from 0.6 pips and does not charge any trading commissions, making it cost-effective for active traders. With a minimum deposit requirement of just $25, it provides access to a wide range of trading instruments, and traders can utilize expert advisors for automated trading strategies and benefit from customizable leverage options. Additionally, the MetaTrader 4 platform is available on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless trading experience across various devices. All accounts, including the MetaTrader 4, support swap-free Islamic trading conditions, catering to traders who prefer to avoid swap charges. The MetaTrader 5 account is designed for traders seeking advanced trading tools and features. This account type offers floating spreads starting from 0.6 pips and also does not charge any trading commissions. With a minimum deposit of just $25, it provides access to a wide range of trading instruments. The MetaTrader 5 platform offers additional timeframes, an economic calendar, and improved order management compared to its predecessor, MetaTrader 4. Traders can utilize expert advisors for automated trading strategies and benefit from customizable leverage options. Additionally, the MetaTrader 5 platform is available on both desktop and mobile devices, All accounts, including the MetaTrader 5 account, support swap-free trading conditions catering to Islamic finance principles. Octa's demo trading account lets both beginners and experienced traders practice trading risk-free with virtual funds in real market conditions. Available on all platforms, users can customize their demo balance based on preferences. The demo account has no time limits, supports automated trading with expert advisors, and includes copy trading features, making it a great tool to build confidence before going live. Creating an account with Octa is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Start Now button. What you'll want to do next is create your account. Submit your email address and create a password in order to create your account. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to the Octa client portal. Within the client portal, you can view promotions, invite a friend, view your trading accounts, view copy trading, and much more. The next step, after creating your Octa account, is to create your preferred trading account type, either a real account, or you can simply open a demo account. After selecting your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform, unless you are using their web trader. In our case, we decided to go with the OctaTrader web trader. Log in to the web trader or download and install your preferred trading platform and log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the OctaTrader web trader. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of Octa's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. And on the left side of the chart panel, a variety of drawing tools, indicators, and more to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. At the top left of the chart, you also have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. Additionally, on the right side of the chart is a news feed where you can browse through all of the latest news and trends to keep you informed. If you are new to trading and are new to the OctaTrader trading platform, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content over on the broker's educational panel to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Octa offers a wide range of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal methods to accommodate traders worldwide. Options include local and international bank transfers, major credit and debit cards, popular e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller, as well as cryptocurrencies. Most transactions are processed quickly, often within 24 hours, and Octa charges no fees on deposits or withdrawals, making fund management straightforward and cost-effective. The minimum deposit starts at $25 depending on the chosen payment method, allowing traders of all levels easy access to their accounts. Additionally, Octa ensures transparent processing times and provides customer support to assist with any payment-related queries, enhancing the overall user experience. Octa provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at all levels. Their offering includes a beginner-friendly video course covering the fundamentals of Forex trading, platform tutorials for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and OctaTrader, as well as a glossary and an extensive FAQ section addressing various trading conditions and account-related queries. Additionally, Octa hosts webinars and publishes articles on trading strategies, helping traders enhance their skills and stay informed about market trends. These resources are accessible through their education portal, ensuring that traders have the tools they need to succeed in the financial markets. The broker also provides traders with a comprehensive suite of market insights and analysis tools to support informed decision-making. Their offerings include real-time market news updates, live currency rates, and trading session information, all accessible through their platform. Additionally, Octa offers educational resources such as articles on technical analysis and trading strategies, helping traders enhance their skills and understanding of the markets. These resources are designed to cater to traders at all levels, from beginners to experienced professionals, ensuring they have the tools needed to navigate the financial markets effectively. Over the years of operation, Octa has garnered over 90 industry accolades since its inception, underscoring its commitment to excellence in online trading. In 2024, the broker was awarded with the Most Reliable Broker Award by the Global Forex Awards, highlighting its trustworthiness and robust service standards. Additionally, Octa's proprietary platform, OctaTrader, received 2 prestigious awards: the Best Professional Trading Platform for Functionality and Ease of Use from the Professional Trader Awards, and Best Proprietary Platform from FX Scouts. These recognitions reflect Octa's dedication to providing innovative and user-friendly trading solutions to its global clientele. Overall, Octa stands out as a globally recognized broker, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and services tailored to both novice and experienced traders. With over 90 industry awards since its inception, Octa has been consistently recognized for its excellence in the trading industry. The broker provides a range of trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as its own proprietary OctaTrader platform. These platforms offer advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, catering to various trading preferences. The broker also offers a diverse range of trading instruments, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios and explore different markets. Their competitive spreads, starting from 0.6 pips, and commission-free trading environment makes it an attractive choice for cost-conscious traders. For those looking to practice and refine their strategies, Octa provides a demo account with virtual funds, enabling users to experience real market conditions without the financial risk. Additionally, the broker's educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and articles, support traders in enhancing their skills and knowledge. With a commitment to customer support, Octa offers assistance through live chat, email, and social media channels, ensuring that traders receive timely and effective help. The broker's dedication to innovation, reliability, and client satisfaction positions it as a strong contender in the online trading industry. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of trading or an experienced trader seeking a reliable platform, Octa provides the tools and support needed to navigate the financial markets effectively. And that is our overview of Octa. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.